Welcome! If you're looking to delete your Snapchat account, you're in the right place. Whether you're taking a break or moving on to other things, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure your account is deleted safely and securely. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, tap your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. This is your gateway to the settings menu. Tap on it to open up a range of options for your account. Now scroll down until you find Account Actions. Tap on this option to reveal a few more choices related to your account management. One of these options will be Delete Account. Go ahead and tap that. At this point, you might be prompted to log in again for security purposes. Just enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Delete Account page. Here, it's essential to read through the information provided. It'll outline what deleting your account means and what to expect. Now, enter your password again to confirm your identity. This step is crucial, as it ensures that only you can delete your account. After entering your password, you'll see a button that says Continue. Tap that to confirm the deletion process. Remember, when you delete your Snapchat account, it will be deactivated for 30 days. During this time, you have the option to reactivate your account simply by logging back in. This gives you a grace period in case you change your mind. And that's it. Your Snapchat account will be deleted after the 30-day deactivation period. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your decision.